So 100,000 signatures. Above my head on this video, you'll see the red circle. When you go on my page, that red circle is exactly where you need to look for that link that says Jamaica demands. When you click on it, you open the link and then you will see a petition that we have put together demanding the resignation of a bunch of high-level people, the security minister, the prime minister of the country, the DPP, and the commissioner of police. You go ahead and you do that. Some of them might be laughing, but this particular petition is very serious. Minimum 15,000 signatures, maximum 100,000. I'm asking all the persons who would like to see change in the country, go ahead. There's your link. I have delivered your link. The United Nations Council will also be taking a very close look at this petition, and of course we have factual information attached to the petition. We know that a lot of people don't like to read, and that's fine. All we need is your signature, and we need your honest reason for actually signing that petition. You just put your name, you select your parish, you click done, and that's it. Your vote is recorded. We're going to show you the power of a petition. So all the people who have failed the Jamaican people from getting answers, we are about to get answers. The country needs a savior. The country needs to be delivered from every single thing that is happening here. The hurricane season is literally a week and a half away from here, and our Jamaicans are still on the tarpaulin. Monies are still going missing from all the sectors, from the hospital, agriculture, every sector in the country. We're tired of it. We also need to know who the illicit 12 are. We're calling for the entire parliament to be dissolved. That's what we're asking for. Dissolved, we need a brand new election. True. Myself and my team, we will be ready to contest in the next election, and we possibly could have one before this year is out. It's time for the Jamaican people to get justice. The people who have lost their children, all of uno, one pitney got murdered, in the innocent youths in Jamaica will get murdered. This is your time to cast your vote on this petition. Learn how to do it. All of me elderly, everybody, just click right up there. So you see, click on the link, you scroll down a little bit, and you'll see where to put in your name, and you do that. Let's go, because some of them just dip on the internet, them a fight and a chat off them face. We're not do that. We're not on the internet badness. We're going to show you that it is time for us to take over our country from the hands of the damn criminals. Now play. This is it. Let's go.